Make somebody do something. We can use make, meaning force someone to do something. In the active voice, we use it with an infinitive without to. The formation of the sentence is the next. Subject plus make plus object plus infinitive without to. Active meaning, active voice. The boss made me work an extra day. Not the boss made me to work. The mom makes the kids tidy up their bedrooms at the end of the afternoon. The shopkeeper made Tommy hand out the toy he had stolen. A policeman made the driver go out of his car and put his hands on it. In all these sentences, a subject is taking the initiative of an action, decides it must be done, but doesn't do it himself or herself. The subject wants the action to be done by someone else, who wouldn't do it freely. Mom wants the kids to tidy up their bedrooms. The shopkeeper forced Tommy to hand out the toy. A policeman forced the driver to go out of his car. Someone wants the action to be done by someone else. In this case, we use infinitive without to. However, in the passive voice, we must use an infinitive with to, and the construction becomes to be made to do something. The formation of the sentence is the next. Subject plus be made plus infinitive with to, passive meaning. The people were made to wait outside while the committee reached its decision. He was made to show his ID. Surprisingly, Mary was made to walk immediately after her operation. The politician was made to resign after the scandal. This is the difference between to make somebody do something and to be made to do something. Hope this information was useful for you. See you in the next video.